Hi, this is Rita. I decided I need to start to learn how to do landscapes, so I had this picture. I just thought it was peaceful and pretty, so I painted it just kind of small on oil with oil, and because really with the weather starting to get nice, I want to be able to go outside and do some painting. So anyhow, I decided to get going on it. So I did this, and then I thought about, okay, what did I do? Wasn't too crazy that I've got these two things. They're sort of equally balanced. I don't know, maybe that's okay. And then I've got like a zigzag going here. Even kind of goes up there. So that you kind of, I don't know, just to give it some background motion. And then I decided I would just play around and do a little sketch, changing things a little bit, just to think about what I did. So I used a marker, a fine marker, and drew it out, and decided, well, maybe I'll try to make the horse bigger and the house smaller so that they're not competing so much, but I don't think I accomplished that because I've got a shape here, and then this shape here with the house is bigger than the horse, but I don't know, they still kind of compete. So I tried again, and I think, you know, the different materials that you use, you approach things different ways. It's just fun to experiment and try to use different materials. So then I went with this just for the fun of it, and I used this. It's that fabric paint that you don't have much control over, and I got the house really little. I don't think I think that the horse is more dominant, and that's what you care about when you look at it. I don't know. Anyway, I was going in that direction, trying to think, and then I went with a pencil drawing. So being that it was pencil, I had to define the stuff around the horse this time to keep him white. I don't know, that this makes the horse important. I think compared to that, for sure. So it doesn't really matter. I guess it's just you pick a subject maybe, or you pick some materials that you're going to use. It could be any kind of drawing, painting stuff, and see where you go. And it was fun to just experiment with the same subject to think about why I would go a different direction with different materials. So, you know, I don't really even know if I have one that I like the most. I don't know. I guess that doesn't matter. It's more experimenting and just knowing that you can have so many avenues that you can go down that it's not that important. Just as long as you get started, I think. Get started on something, and you'll have an adventure on each one.